In the 5 years to 2023, the survey funded by the Bank of Uganda found that between 2018 and 2023, at least 51% or 12.5 million out of the 24.6 million adult Ugandans had borrowed money from different sources, among which included mobile money, SACCOs, banks, and money lenders, with the highest percentage of people who borrow money coming from the low and middle income class. In most cases, they fall prey to being charged exorbitant fees and interest from money lenders due to a lack of financial knowledge.
And therefore we guide that interest rates that are charged by these money lenders must be calculated based and tagged on the annual inflation rate that is obtaining in the country, so that you can still make profit without you injuring the people who are borrowing from you.
Not only that, the high level of unemployment and high expense rate in the community, they find themselves borrowing money as a result of financial need. It is from this background that the government has come up with strong laws and policies that govern all money lending businesses in the country to help people from being charged highly.
And therefore, we are examining the law with a view of strengthening it and removing all the weaknesses that are within this legislation. But after a careful discussion and a detailed discussion by Cabinet, we did agree that we advise the public once again that nobody should involve in the business of money lending unless you have been registered and you hold a license.
Dr Chris Baryomunsi affirms these money lenders engage in criminal activities in lieu of recovering their loans.
And also we noted that some money lenders delve into actions which are criminal. For instance, I'm sure maybe some of you have witnessed that. I go to borrow from Honorable Dominic, maybe if he's a money lender, if I use him as an example. Maybe I want 10 million shillings because I have something urgent. Then he makes me sign that I have sold him my house. Say if this is my house, I have sold him my house. And even I sign the transfer forms.
He adds that no one should engage in the money lending business without being licensed. Baryomunsi also ensured the public to review some government-aided projects that enhance people's business, like the Grow Loan project that was introduced to help women mostly ease on some of the requirements that will enable effective borrowing terms.
Grow, indeed, those comments came up in the Cabinet about those requirements being a little bit complicated for ordinary people, and we did ask the Minister of Gender, Labour and Social Development to bring a paper on Monday in the Cabinet about the Grow project. So we shall review it. If there are requirements which have been inbuilt in that project that make it difficult for our women to access, then we shall review them. And once we have considered the paper from Minister of Gender, I will come back here, or the Minister herself will come and be able to clarify to Ugandans, because we would want these programs, these projects, the funds which we provide through these interventions to be accessed by our ordinary Ugandans.
Money lending business should be a company registered with Uganda Registration Services Bureau (URSB) and licensed by Uganda Microfinance Regulatory Authority (UMRA) by the Tier 4 Microfinance Institutions and Money Lenders Act 2016. In the money lending business, The moneylender should have a postal and physical address of the company, issue a receipt to a borrower for every payment made on a loan and keep records for 10 years, give a loan agreement to a borrower to sign not a sales agreement, among other regulations. Serena Nagoja,